Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the ANDIS Easy Cut Clipper, and this one is the 20-piece kit. It says all around hair cutting, compact and lightweight clipper, easy to use, numbered guide combos. Everything you need to cut hair at home. And it says bonus, the cut buddy. And here are all the attachments that come with it. So I got this out of Marshall and Home Goods. It's like a 2-in-1 store. And it is $16.99. So it also comes with the storage case, scissor, styling combs, barber comb, and then blade guard, brushes, and oil. It says 5 years warranty. So and it is made in China. Cut all hair types. Wow, pretty nice case. And this. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Purchased with our own money, so. Clip it. Oh, the pushing style. That was it. So this one's the brush that came with it. Cleaning brush. There's all the attachment. The barber comb. This one's the blade cover. And then you could adjust right here. It's an on and off switch. So unfortunately, this one doesn't allow you to adjust the vibrating speed. My old one does, so. Oh, so this is the cut body. Maybe you cut around the ear, or you try to make some shape or something, or like this. And this is the scissor, and this one's the regular comb. Then the oil to lubricate your blade, and user and care instruction. And then I open this up. So you fit in there, and then I push down the clip on that to lock it. And then there are the different number right there. Number 0, number 2. This one's the blending. Left ear taper. Number 1. And this one's the right ear taper. I don't think I'm ever gonna use this one. Go ahead and plug it in and then test it out real quick. Gotta remove this the plug cap. Pretty good. Anyway, I want to buy this one just for a backup in case my older ANDIS break. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.